You ever feel like the world is a yelling match, a cacophony of news, opinions, events, and your own never-ending to-do list? Me too, my dear. Enough to make a person want to crawl into a cave, but that seems a bit unreal in this concrete jungle, right? But I have got a secret to calm my soul with Japanese wisdom. Shin Rin Yoku. That translates to forest bathing. Guess what I discovered hiking in the woods the other day? Silence. Pure, deep silence. With a tiny mix of the song from the nature, chirping birds, gentle streams, crickets, falling leaves, that was a pure, deep, soul-cleansing silence that really heals, cures that modern ADHD. Imagine, no screech of traffic, no buzz of phones, just the wind, whispering secrets through leaves and a woodpecker's rhythmic drumming. At first, you might feel strange, almost deafening, pain of loneliness. But be patient. Listen to the Mother Nature, eyes closed. All of a sudden, like a flower pushing through cracked pavement, something beautiful will bloom inside you. It was like my mind finally took a giant gulp of fresh air. Finally, the suffocation was gone, and I felt freedom. The freedom of being alone. The jumbled thoughts quieted, and for the first time, I could truly hear myself think out loud, like there was a whole other world of clarity and peace hidden beneath the noise, waiting to be discovered. That's the power of silence. Isn't it beautiful? The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius once said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Silence lets you be that good person, the one who listens to your inner voice, the whispers of nature, and the wisdom that lives within the quiet. Next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember this. Sometimes the greatest answers come not from the loudest voices, but from the sacred space of silence, from the power of forest bathing, immersion in the green nature. So turn off all the fake noise and buzz around you and give yourself the gift of self-listening. Be the good person, the savior for yourself. Who knows? You might be surprised like me by the wisdom waiting for you to be heard.